Hello everyone, you're watching Nvidia. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install PS4 Emulator on PC. So recently, this emulator making some significant progress, which is ShadPS4. So let's start. First, open a browser and search ShadPS4 and open the first link. This will be the official link of the ShadPS4.net. So after open, go to the download section and download the current build, and this will be released various operating system, Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Download according to your operating system. So this is the version 0.2.0. If you download the current build, then go to the GitHub link of the ShadPS4. Just click on that and it will open the GitHub link, and then click on the actions button. You must log in with your GitHub account, otherwise you can't download the latest build. Then select your operating system, must download the Qt version. I'm using Windows, so I'm selecting the Qt version Windows. Then green checked build, must download the green checked build, and click on that and download this one. So after download finish, just open the folder and extract it, and open the extracted folder and open ShadPS4.exe and select the folder where you want to install the PS4 games. I already created a PS4 folder, so I select that, click on OK. Okay, after open the emulator, let's install some games. Let's click on file and click on package install. Now let's select the game where I put this. I already download some games, so let's install one. It's crashing, so let's open the emulator again and it's installed. But as you can see, the size is only 2.95 MB, so it's not installed properly. Maybe my CPU can't handle the extraction of this installation process, because I'm using a dual core processor. So yeah, it's a 7th gen dual core processor. Let me show you. It has not some instructions like AVX or something, so that's why maybe this problem is occur, but I find a solution. So let's try that. Close the emulator, and I already download this PS4 package viewer by Elman. You can download from link in the description below. Just open this package viewer. Just open and put that package file which is not installed properly, this limbo. Okay, so as you can see, you can check the game is fake or not. If it's not fake, then you can't run this on emulator. So after that, click on extra and click on extract packages. Now select where you want to extract that. I'll select this PS4 folder. So it's extracting the files. Extracting completed. So let's close this and open this folder. Open this one, copy everything and paste it here. Replace those 3 files and open the emulator again. And yeah, as you can see, the size is 159 MB, so it's fully installed. So now let's go to settings, and this is the settings user interface of this emulator, and you can also use it is PS4 Pro. Then go to the graphics settings and select your graphics. I'm using Intel SD. So select that and apply OK. So now let's run the game. Yeah, that's probably gonna happen because I don't have any graphics card or my CPU is too low to emulate this. So this is it for today. This is how you can run PS4 games on PC. There are lots of games right now running, Bloodborne, um, Red Dead Redemption, and lots of games are testing on that. And emulator progress is very good. The developer are doing great. If this video helpful, then give a like. If you have any problem, comment down. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.